عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. We welcome you to another episode of Ask the Imam. That is a program that we have established to ask you questions, and if you need fatwa or you need clarity on certain matters and issues, you can always contact us through the email ask the Imam, all one word, at themasjid.org. That is ask the Imam at themasjid.org. Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam.
This question is about food again. It is whether it's allowed to use alcohol in cooking, and if you go to a restaurant that uses alcohol in cooking, if you're allowed to eat it or not.
طيب, Bismillah, alhamdulillah, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's a good question. As usual, mashallah, you bring, on our community, bring all these real questions. So the food that contain alcohol, if that alcohol is part of it, like some candy that has a liquor in it, some cake cooked with alcohol, it's part of it. It is clearly can be tasted, like some tiramisu, for example. You can taste the liquor in it and so forth, or some chocolate.
Right.
That's haram by the consensus of the Muslim scholars. Also, there's another area, the ulama all agreed, a Muslim is not allowed to cook with alcohol at all. So if you are a chef or you want to make a food, you're not allowed to do that. And haram for you to cook with any type of alcohol, because alcohol is najis.
Right. And you're not even supposed to buy it.
Yeah, you're not supposed to buy it. Let's say somebody gifted to you, it's najis, not allowed to use. But what about a food that's cooked with it? I didn't cook it. It was cooked for me. I'm in the restaurant. Here the ulama rahimahullah said, because sometimes they use alcohol, for example, steak, to burn the steak from inside. Okay? Or because of it is the smell, or because of it is the, the aftertaste, the mix of the taste and stuff like that. The burn of it, it gives like kind of flavor to it. We say, if you can taste alcohol, if you can smell the alcohol, if you can identify alcohol, like the liquor, the drops in it, it's not allowed.
Right.
But if it is completely observed, or the amount of it, it is completely insignificant, cannot be traced, cannot be recognized.
The alcohol itself
evaporated
yes.
because of the cooking. And, it's not there anymore. In this case, we would say that this is disliked to eat, but the food is halal to eat. The food is halal to eat, because the food, nothing to make it haram. It does not have alcohol. The alcohol disappeared, it was cooked completely, evaporated completely. But it is still something we dislike it, because we don't encourage such behavior. We don't encourage a Muslim to be in such places in general, but it is ala asl al-hil, and that's the fatwa of Amja, which I'm part of it, the simply Muslim jurist in North America. We said it's disliked, but it is permissible as long as it is completely disappeared.
Okay. Barakallah feekum. Again, thank you very much for watching. Communicate your questions to us through asktheimam at themasjid.org. That is one word, asktheimam at themasjid.org. Jazakumullah khair wa barakallahu feekum.
Jazakallah khair.